So today we'll discuss how to develop a pentagonal pyramid. So pyramid or pentagonal pyramid having a pentagon at its base and all the sides are meets one at a point, it is called its apex. So we'll draw the top view of a pentagonal pyramid. So if it is XY line, the front view is visible over vertical plane and its top view is visible over horizontal plane. So in horizontal plane, the pentagonal pyramid looks like a pentagon and which is drawn by this method. If the side of that pentagon is 30 mm, draw that 30 mm line first. This line measures 30 mm. Then draw one more line at an angle of 72 degree with respect to this horizontal line, and one more line at an angle of 72 degree about this horizontal line at this point. After that, take this 30 mm as radius and take this point as reference. Draw an arc. So it will cut this line. The length of this line is 30 mm. Similarly, at this point also, take that arc and cut this line so that you will get 2 points. After that, again take 30 mm as radius. Take these 2 points as radius. Again draw 2 more arcs. It will cut over here. Join these points to get that irregular pentagon. So this is the top view of that pentagon. Now we have to mark these points. So whenever the object is viewed from the top side, the points are visible. So the names are given like A, B, C, D and E. So it is in its top view. So if we project this top view to the vertical plane, we can view the front view. So if I project these points to the vertical plane or to the XY line, it will meet somewhere here. These are the points. So the first point, this is E dash, this point is A dash, this point is B dash, this is C dash, and this one is D dash. So as I told you, this is a pentagonal pyramid. All points must be meet at a single point, which is called apex. Now the height of this pyramid is 50 mm. So we have to draw one vertical line from this point, which is the axis of this pyramid. Mark at 50 mm because the height of this pyramid is 50 mm. Join these points A, B, C, D and E to this apex O. Because these lines are visible from the front, these 2 lines are also visible. So draw the straight lines, and this line is not visible. So actually it lies behind this axis of the pyramid. So this is the front view of pentagonal pyramid. Now the second step is we have to develop this pentagonal pyramid so that we can create the pentagonal pyramid by using sheet metal. So to do that, we have to take this OE as radius. Initially we have to draw one line, straight line of this length OE. Then take this as radius and O as center. Draw one arc. After that, take 30 mm as radius. From this point, we have to, there are 5 sides, therefore we have to make 5 points. This is the first one, the second part, second side, third side, fourth one and last side. So 5 sides are there. So join these points to the apex. Now we have to join these 2 points by straight line. Since it is a curved line, we have to get the pentagonal pyramid by joining these 2 points by using straight line. Join these points. But to join the end surfaces, or to join this OA to this surface, we need extra material or extra projection. So extra 10 mm over here and extra 5 mm over here is provided to make the joint. And we have to name these points A, B, C, D, E, again A, and this is O, the apex. So this is how the regular pentagonal pyramid is developed, and by pasting this sheet over the sheet metal, then cut that part, and by joining these sides we can get the regular pentagon.